Good morning. This is day 4 of the bathroom interior renovation project, and I just got here, and I'm going to start by sanding the filler on all the base molding and the door. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I really should be wearing knee pads, so I'm going to put them on. Okay, I got everything sanded now, so I'm going to go ahead and get the vacuum with the brush attachment, and I'll go ahead and clean up all the dust and get ready for paint. Okay, I got everything sanded and it's all vacuumed up. So I'm going to try to get out the paint and start applying some paint to the base moldings and the door in the bathroom and the closets. This type of 5-gallon bucket has a thread-on adapter, and I forgot it. So I'm just going to have to take the whole lid off and pour it out. The customer has this closet shelving set up in here. I'm going to take that off the wall. I think that'll be easier to paint rather than cutting around it. I got one coat on everything except for the door slab itself. But I'm going to try to focus on this laundry closet because he really wants that back as soon as possible. Okay, I got one coat on everything except for the laundry closet, which I have 2 coats. So it's basically cut in and ready to be rolled. When I come back, I'm going to roll that once, and then I'm going to continue to cut in everything else to get 2 coats because I want to get 2 coats and have that room painted. So tomorrow I can lay flooring and have that room deliverable back to them. Okay, I'm going to go to lunch now. Okay, I'm back from lunch now, and I want to get started by rolling the paint on the laundry closet. I want to try to get 2 coats of that by the end of the day. Okay, I've got one coat rolled on the laundry closet and the other closet. I'm going to switch back to painting just to give it some more time to tack up. And then I'll get back and roll the second coat today. I've got all the rolling done that I can, and I've cut in the ceiling in the bathroom now once. So I'm going to go back just to give those rolled spots more time to dry. I'm going to go back and put a second coat on all the trim that I did earlier today. I can't wait to finish painting this area because in that attic hatch, there's tons of heat pouring down. It's very hot in here. Okay, so I just finished rolling a second coat on this closet. It's pretty much done. And I had just rolled second coat on this closet. So they both look pretty good. And I think I've changed my mind now and I'm going to cut in a second coat on the ceiling in the bathroom. And then I'm going to roll it once. I have to change the fan. So I was trying to not paint the ceiling, but I think one coat won't hurt it. Okay, I just rolled one coat on that ceiling, and I think I'll wait to do the second coat later after I put the new fan in. That way it'll blend in better. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to get one coat of paint on this door. I'm not going to bore you with watching me paint the other side, so I'm just going to skip ahead once I'm done. So I just got one coat on the door, and it's getting late on a Friday, so I'm kind of feeling the itch to leave, but I think I might stick around and put one more coat on the door. Okay, so today went pretty well. I got all the painting done that I wanted to. I got the door painted twice, the base, all the closets. I got two coats on those. And all I have left to do painting wise is to cut in the door, the casing on the door, and the base molding in the hallways. So tomorrow I'm going to start laying the flooring down in the hallway, and that way we can try to get the laundry back to the customer. So I hope you'll check it out in our next clip. Thank you, and I'll see you then. Bye.